to change contact name font style without any app. Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. This is Rose and I'm here to guide you on how to change contact name font style without any app. Watch the video till the end and without any further ado, let's dive right into the video. First, launch your phone app on your device. Recently, you can see the font style of the contact names. To change that, launch the Settings app on your device. Scroll down. Tap Display and Brightness. Scroll down. Locate Font. Select that. Scroll down. You can easily swipe from left to the right. And here you can see different kind of font style. You can tap more to get more fonts. Wait patiently. Under Fonts, you can choose anyone and tap the Apply button. You can choose from the available or the popular fonts or also the selected collection. Tap Apply button that are for free and wait until it has been applied. Now you have to exit from the settings section and open the phone app again. You can see that the font style has already been changed for the contact names. That's all for today. Hope this video helped you. If you are new to our channel, hit the like button and subscribe. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.